David Welsh is awful tough. We can't see the entire course. Aaron Bowles is the big friend of his mate. And it looks like
Come on, come on.
First it was A-Train, then it was Wood, now it's Bo Pitkin. One thing we do know is Church of the Big Rig is well represented, but can the A-Train recover? Remember, he looked like he was suffering after that effort.
We didn't see Dave Wood go by. He may have passed ahead of them, though. So we will give you the play-by-play here. Backside. Here we go.
Go, Art!
Extremely well.
Oh man, there's an army.
Yeah. Oh my God, they're buried now.
Man, there's an army right behind Nick.
Oh no. Go, Darren. He's got a gap.
Not that far back. Phillips, Aaron.
Well, now he's in the top 7, so every week he gets a little bit better. Young guy, lots of talent. Here's Dr. Cross coming through, looking good. Here's your front runners in the A group. It's Sam Moore leading off Dave Wood, and then you've got Art O'Connor to the back with John McCone just in front of him. Scott Allen with the rain jacket on leading out this group. This is a solid group. I see Nick Ekdahl in there. Outstanding group right here. Everybody trying to get back on. Next group, oh, just cooking through. Everybody's flying. Kelly Glenn, what happened, Kelly Glenn? This is direction, you might need to do it, but all right, coming on through, seeing it fast.
Good day to break your seat, Kelly.
That was fun, though.
Right, for a short time. There's more of a direct impact on the ground, and it just
He's got 3 laps to go.
Made my leg go numb.
Oh man!
Like I got up like I wanted to go, and my leg didn't want it. Wow. Yeah, that's some serious blood.
There we go. People powering up. Here's an attack right here. Wow, Art O'Connor is attacking the field. He's got a gap. John McCone is at the front. He's got Dave Wood and Sam Moore pushing hard right behind him.
Coming through.
I know. It surprises me.
Mike cracked, and it looked like Doug Cottle in there. Darren Cottle. Darren Cottle. Next 2 riders coming through. Chris Arnott coming up to the claw. Sean Hoover going to try to catch his teammate. Dig in, Sean.
Wow, that's it. He's out of the saddle.
He's going to try to cross that gap. 3 laps race. 3 to go, Jim. Leader, Bart Gillespie. 2 laps to go for all the riders.
The A-Train took off. Well, they caught him. So now you've got John McCone. Look at it. Oh my God. Sam Moore looks like he has a beard back there.
4 minutes ago. Jeff Street, Sam Moore, then John McCone, 35 plus, 1 lap to go. One more, Dave.
Remember, Dave Wood was in that group, so he came unleashed. He's got to get back up there. He's unleashed himself and just flying. He is a great road racer. And tough mountain biker here and cross racer. Darren Cottle's going to have to catch him right now. As is Nick Eckdell. Lindy Smith right behind him. Here you go, Gardy.
Your inner strength, Sean Hoover. Push this one more time. Jeff Clausen, Lindy Smith, 1 to go.
Sean Hoover caught his teammate and went by.
Finish here. 1 lap to go for all these riders.
Yeah, what happened? All right. Here we go. In front quarter, Daryl Davis.
Don't forget the sprint coming up in the men's 35 plus. That's coming up. Art O'Connor, call it. Oh boy. Oh, it's Art O'Connor. Wow. Sam Moore. Great finish. And look at this great Jake Pantone finishing, followed by Dave Wood. Great chase by Dave Wood.
Reason, huh?
Yeah.
So, feel good today?
Yeah, today was hard. It was a hard course to get a gap and keep a gap. So
Yeah.
There was a lot of back and forth today.
A lot of people suffering with the cold, it seemed.
Yeah, the cold wasn't too bad. It was just you couldn't really hold a gap when you got to the pavement because it was so once you got in a group.
Right.
And it was hard to go solo with the wind, so
Right.
it was pretty tactical today.
Well, you took them again.
Yeah, it's rare for me to win a sprint, so
Yeah.
I think it was just a battle of attrition. We were all working each other over pretty well.
Right on.
I think John let it out a little too early.
So have you figured out what you're going to wear for a Halloween race?
I'm not sure. I'm going to be in Boulder racing the Boulder Cup race, so probably in my skin suit.
There you go.
Not very original.
Well, right on. Another great job.
Thanks a lot, Sam.
Big ring.
Yeah.